Ugh, I have no idea what to make for this week's episode. I spent all week making food for Thanksgiving, and I just don't have anything else in the fridge. Well, today is Black Friday, and... Oh, I have an idea. Nice. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. To cap off this #NotSpawn November, we will finish our look at 4 cool kitchen equipment with the one that I got for Black Friday. And without further ado, for this week's recipe we will be making some air-fried turkey croquettes with our leftovers from Thanksgiving. For this recipe, you will need, of course, 2 cups of leftover turkey, 2 cups of stuffing, half cup of mashed potatoes, and if you want to add a little bit more flavor, you can also include some garlic, onion, and some herbs such as thyme and rosemary. You'll also need some eggs and some Panko breadcrumbs for the breading. If you have them, you could also use ground up fried onion straws, and you will also need some oil to spray. Then, for the dips, you can create a savory one with your leftover gravy, or a sweet one with your leftover cranberry sauce and some lemon juice. For all of these ingredients, you can of course use non-leftover versions of them, but where's the fun in that? First, preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, while we wait for that to warm up, dice up some turkey into little pieces. You can also use a food processor for this, but I spent all my money on the air fryer, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. Then, mince up your onion and garlic, as well as your herbs, if you have opted to use these ingredients. Once everything is chopped up, combine the turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, onion, garlic, sage, and rosemary in a mixing bowl and mix till everything is evenly distributed. Then, shape the mixture into patties. I was able to make 6 big croquettes, but make them into the size that you want. When you finish making them, let them rest for a bit, and while we wait, we'll prepare the dredging station. In a bowl, whisk the eggs with some water, and in another bowl, put your breading of choice. When you're ready, dip the patties into the eggs, shake off the excess, and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. Then, when they're all properly breaded, place the croquettes into the air fryer, give them a light spritz of oil, and air fry them for 6 minutes. Then when that's done, flip them and air fry them for 6 more minutes. While we wait, we can prepare our sauces. For the gravy sauce, well, it's already a pretty good sauce as it is, so just warm it up, I guess. But for the cranberry sauce, we can elevate it a little bit by mixing in a bit of lemon juice while we warm it up. Once your croquettes are done, let them cool for a little bit so you don't burn yourself. Plate them with your sauces, and with that, your air-fried leftover turkey croquettes are ready to eat. So the air fryer that I got is the Savory Pro 2 Smart Air Fryer. It has all these really cool presets, and apparently you can configure it even more by connecting to it with your phone. I'm not that well versed in air fryer brands, but this one seems to be pretty good. And it also came with a recipe booklet. Speaking of which, this past week I was trying to come up with a good recipe to make using my new air fryer. I knew I wanted to do something relatively simple, but I didn't just want to make something too simple like chicken tenders, or something that required a lot of ingredients or special equipment like a pizza. And I also wanted to do something involving Thanksgiving, but I didn't want to post a Thanksgiving recipe after Thanksgiving. So I thought, why not make use of the ingredients that people will have after Thanksgiving and make something out of that. And thus, the turkey croquette was born. So hopefully this has inspired you to think of more creative ways to use your Thanksgiving leftovers, rather than just sadly microwaving them. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. That's better.